Good evening, brothers. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to do it. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, first, we have taken only single day today in Nifty. So, here is what happened. In short, before we begin our analysis. So, traders, let's begin with the post-market review of the market, and you could clearly see in the morning hour we have a really good fall. This is the futures chart of Nifty. We had a really good fall and an upside momentum. And if you have watched our previous day analysis, it is clearly we have trade was according to our plan. A gap down opening with an upside momentum, rejection at the CPR on 15 minutes time frame, which was this rejection. It didn't close above the pivot point, and the fall continued. So we exited somewhere around this particular level, shorted at this, and got a really good risk to reward ratio also, as well as a 60-point good profit, which was double than we expected that we could get today. So after this thing, Bank Nifty and Nifty have also rallied because it was really bad fall in Bank Nifty. So let's begin with Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty also performed according to our plan, a gap down opening, a upside rejection towards the CPR, and a fall. But the entry was not good in Bank Nifty because, as you could clearly see, the rejection was not at this central pivot point, and neither there was a really good consolidation area near the pivot, which prompt a really good risk to reward ratio. So if we have shorted somewhere around here, our risk would be higher because our SL would be somewhere around here and our target would be somewhere around here. So it was really 1:1. So we didn't short it in Bank Nifty. We rather taken a trade in Nifty. So this was the post-market review. Market are a bit bearish and to a sideways. So definitely take the position according to that only. Well, now let's begin with the second part of the video. That is what will happen tomorrow. That is tomorrow's probability of market. So let's begin with the Nifty first. You could see the CPR. This is the first CPR of today, and this would be the CPR of tomorrow. A good overlapping relationship is present between both of them, which indicate the market would be slightly bullish as it is above to a sideways market could be seen in Nifty tomorrow. So based on this thing, we have three probabilities. First one, if the Nifty open gap up, a retracement towards the CPR, towards this central pivot, should consider as a buying opportunity if you see a good wick candle or a good bullish candle like this forming near the pivot. So you could buy at that particular point as soon as the high of that candle get broken. Another case, a rejection from the R1 could consider as a selling opportunity because it is a very good supply zone from which it has already fallen once. So there is a high probability that this could be a continuation, and it would form a M type of pattern on a large time frame to potentially reverse the trend, which is bullish currently, to a bearish one. So this could be happening tomorrow. So if you could see a rejection candle at R1 at this particular point, you should consider a sell off. The second case that is a high probability, it is if it open a gap down below the CPR. If that happens, you could consider any retracement towards the central pivot as a rejection, and you could sell at this particular point by seeing a wick candle, long wick candle, or a bearish red candle. So you could sell at this particular point without hesitation with a SL nearly above the top CPR and a target till the R1. So this is of Nifty. Now let's begin with the Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, the odds are really good. I would probably suggest you to trade in Bank Nifty tomorrow if you will take any trades, because there is not extremely clear line and a clear area of sideways market. So these are the probabilities that could happen. But first, with the CPR, today's CPR is higher and tomorrow's CPR is a lower, which indicate a good lower value relationship. But because it has given a really strong upside momentum in the second half, there could be a possibility that market could behave a sideways in tomorrow's. Also, based on that, we could see a trending between these two ranges, and we are going to take advantages between the extreme of this ranges. So first you could see a green, a gap up opening, a pullback towards the CPR should consider a buying opportunity. Same, a wick candle or a green bullish candle could consider as a buying opportunity as soon as the high of that candle gets broken, and you could place the target at this red line. Same, if a gap down opening as it happened in Nifty, any pullback on the upside should consider as a sell-off and a downside momentum till the S1. But and a third case that could happen in Bank Nifty, that is a gap up opening and a crossing of the CPR, in which case if you get a closing below this red line of 37,000 rupees, if you get closing below 37,000 rupees, you could sell it immediately with 50 to 60 point SL towards a target somewhere near this red line of 200 points, which is high probability that it might get achieved in tomorrow, if and only if it get broke and get a close below 37,000 level. So these are some of the probabilities that could happen tomorrow. So trade carefully because the market is a bit volatile and it could be a sideways day tomorrow, as we have already seen a really good trending 2 days, same a reversal. So there might be a chance that market could form a doji type of candle on a higher time frame and make it very unclear for us to trade in either direction. So please be careful while trading tomorrow.
Well, if you have plan and your plan look exactly like mine, don't forget to smash that like button. Definitely comment down below if you have come up with something new. Don't forget to share this video with any other traders, and don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you never miss any update from us. And thank you for watching.